Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to build an email list from scratch. If this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home. And I do a lot of product reviews on this channel as well, just to let you make an informed buying decision. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos each and every day. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into the methods that I use to build an email list and to get the kind of results that I'm getting in my business, which right now I'm very happy with. The first thing, I've gone over this before, but I added some things that are working. My most effective method is free YouTube marketing. And what you want to do is solve problems and provide valuable information for people who would be searching for certain keywords. And then you have a call to action at the end of your video to your lead capture page, and that's how you build your email list from free YouTube marketing. I'm going to show you, I'll put a link in the description below this video to our inner circle, but this is where I've learned everything. And most of my sales come from free YouTube marketing, but this is Josh Elder's inner circle, and I have been able to generate leads every single day through free marketing on YouTube, very targeted leads, and make sales on autopilot. So this is what you would learn in the inner circle. This is just a small amount of information that you would learn, but how to set up your YouTube channel the right way, how to pick your keywords, how to SEO optimize it, because if you have a video out there and no one sees it, you're not going to get any leads. So this is how you can get at the top of the search engines, how to do your backlinks, on-page, off-page SEO, that kind of thing. I won't go through all of this, but I'll leave a link, like I said, in the description below this video. You can check out the inner circle. I've referred people to this, and they're having really great results with their YouTube marketing as well. So that's the first thing. The second thing is free Facebook marketing. That goes very along with free YouTube marketing very, very well. There's a formula where you give results, and if you don't have any results, you can borrow people's results. And then you give some sort of value, and then you talk about your lifestyle, or you have lifestyle posts, and that way people just get to know, like, and trust you. And I have people coming to me all the time on Facebook wondering what I'm doing and wanting to join me. So this is a very effective method of advertising. And this actually also is in the inner circle right here. And it's different from anything that I've learned before, because you don't just go into Facebook groups and post your link. That's what a lot of people teach you. But this is totally different, and it's taught by Fraser McDonald, and he travels all the time. I think it's hard to keep up with him. I think he's in Singapore now. He just got done traveling to the Maldives, and he travels with his fiance. They're constantly traveling. And this is his only method of marketing, is free Facebook traffic. And like I said, it's different than anything that you have learned, and it's very, very effective. It's given me a lot of sales. So that is the second method that you can build your email list with. And then the third method is solo ads, and that's where major marketers have an email list already, and they will send out your offer to their list. Of course, this is paid advertising, but it's a fast way to build your email list, and then you can show results a lot sooner by getting sales. This is the way that I started when I started back up with YouTube marketing last summer. That's how I started getting results, and then once you get results, then you can do a YouTube video about it. You can build on those results to get more results, and it just builds from there. So solo ads are a very good way to build your email list. I'm going to leave a couple links in the description below this video to some solo ad providers that I use that I've gotten some good results with, that you can check those out. The fourth one is My Lead Gen Secret, and that is where you get 100 buyer leads a day that you can send an email to. And I'm going to leave a link in the description below this video. You can check it out. It is a product by Jim Harmon, and you can go through the sales video here, but it's very detailed as to why a lot of marketers don't get results. and it's very affordable. It's $30 a month, and you get 100 buyer leads a day that you can send out your email to. You can either promote My Lead Gen Secret itself, or people are getting sales from their primary business with this My Lead Gen Secret, like really, really good results. And then it is an affiliate program, so you can earn residual income from referring others to the program. But I highly recommend it. It's working out very well. That's the fourth one. And then the fifth one is called Traffic Kaboom, and it's banner ads. And you can join for free on this and have your banner shown all over the internet. Let me show you here what it looks like. They have videos on how to set up your ads, or your banner ads. It's very easy to do. And one thing that I notice is when other major marketers are using advertising, you know that it's working. And I found that a lot of major marketers are using Kaboom Traffic right now. I actually found out about it in one of our Facebook groups, Copy and Paste Ads, and one person in there had gotten 3 sales for Copy and Paste Ads just from using this Kaboom Traffic, putting her banner ads in here, and there are buyer leads that see your banner ads all over the internet. And you can join for free and have your banner ads seen by people who are actually interested in what you have to offer. So I'm going to leave a link in the description below this video that you can join for free, but also you can earn commissions, not just from your primary business, but also from the actual Kaboom Traffic. So you can earn commissions even if you join for free. You can upgrade to get more banner ads, more exposure, but you can join for completely free, and this is a great way to get your business out there in front of people who are actually looking for what you have to offer. So those are my 5 methods for how that you can build an email list from scratch. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, make sure you leave them in the comments below this video. I do have my contact information in the description below this video as well if you need to contact me for any reason. And I'll leave links to all these programs in the description below this video. Also, if you want to learn my #1 recommendations for making money online as well as offline, and some incredible bonuses, one of which, well, the bonus is to join the inner circle here. So I'll leave that below the video. You guys can check that out if you'd like. With that being said, this is Karen Mara signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.